Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? So just want to show you my my core puller right here, my soil probe that I'm using. Yes, it is an old curtain rod, but it does the trick, guys. Look at these cores I just pulled. Oh yeah, good cores. All right, guys. So I told you I was using a curtain rod. Well, here it is, my curtain rod. I just put some tape around this, and it just comes out. And I put it through the other end, and that's why the tape's on here. So it just pushes out that dirt, and here are the cores I get. Those are the cores that I get. Good morning, everybody. Hey, look at that. Look at the beauty. Ooh-wee. What's going on, everybody? Hey, I got my samples right here. What's that? I have two. That's right, I have two. One from Soil Savvy. The Simple Solutions that pulled from the back, and the My Soil soil test pulled from the front. So I got my two right here. I'm about to put them in the mailbox, and I'll let you know what I hear, what I find out, and where my soil is sitting. Because here's the thing, guys. Yeah, it's late in the season to be doing this, and you should be doing this in the beginning of the season, so you know where you are, so you know where you're sitting. But honestly, maybe I haven't heard it from people, or maybe I just forgot, but I would think at least 2 soil tests a season. One in the beginning to see where you are, one halfway, which would be like July, maybe, and then, you know, that's it. So one in the beginning, like March, April, and then another one in like June or July. And that's just to kind of see where you're sitting after everything that you've thrown down. So I think that's a good idea. Yeah. Hey, there's a cow. I really can't wait to see what my results are. I'm kind of interested. The front yard sucks, man. They tell you, you know, you should get at least a 6-inch soil test going on. And I just, the front yard in some places, you just can't do, because when they built this house, the builder didn't really care about the front yard. You know what I mean? He's not a landscaper. He's not trying to make the front yard look good, so to speak, like soil-wise. So closer to the garage and the back of, well, here, let me show you. Hey, this little area right here is probably the best area of my lawn as far as good soil. And starting from here and all the way over here, right over here in the big old circle right here, it's nothing but the soil is riddled with pebbles and rocks and everything else you can think of in there. So when you try to put a soil probe down in there, it only goes maybe 1.5 inches, a quarter. Let's see where it goes. I think I have a hole over here somewhere. Actually, that's not bad. So I'll go measure my finger right now, but I'm touching bottom right now, and that's my whole finger. So, oh, but see, like this one right here, this must have been a good spot. This over here, not so good. I tried, see, watch. So, that deep. So about half my finger on that one. Is that a horse? Yeah, I took 5 different spots. I know I took one over here, but that's alright. I can't find it right now, which I guess is good. Those little soil things I took out of the ground, then pretty good size, but I can't find them right now. And this grass looks good. Looks real good. But anyway, guys, like I said, actually, you know what? Let's go see how long my finger is, huh? All right, so we're looking at about 3 inches, 3.25 inches, how long my finger is right here. And some of them we're only getting to about right there, halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway, all the way down. So the front yard in some spots, not so much. Other spots, yes, I can get down 6 inches easily. And then the backyard was no problem. We got like anywhere between 4 to 6 inches in the back of that sandy loam when we put down. So yeah, backyard I shouldn't have any problem with, but I'm very excited to see what the backyard is going to be like with my soil sample test, and very interested in the front yard because I had never done a soil test in my front yard. I just kind of go based off, hey, let's just put down this fertilizer, or hey, let's just put down this. But you know, really, it's just your fertilizer, I feel. I don't know, we'll see what the results are, because I mean, I could throw down a whole bunch of RGS and humic and everything else, and it's just, you know, it's not gonna really ruin your lawn. So unlike if you put a whole bunch of fertilizer down that you don't need or whatever, I don't know, we'll find out. You'll see the results just like me, so stay tuned, because that'll be coming. Are you guys still here? Hey, if you're still here looking at this, waiting for something awesome, it ain't gonna happen. Not until the next video. So go ahead and subscribe and click that little bell to get notified every time I put a video up, because the next one's coming of those results. Alright, see you guys.